أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم إلا الذين يصلون إلى قوم بينكم وبينهم ميثاق أو جاءوكم حسرت صدورهم أن يقاتلوكم أو يقاتلوا قومهم ولو شاء الله لسلطهم عليكم فلقاتلوكم فإن اعتزلوكم فلم يقاتلوكم وألقوا إليكم السلام فما جعل الله لكم عليهم سبيلا. Dear friends, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. I recited Surah An-Nisa Ayat number 90. In this ayat, Allah tells us about the rules, regulations for fighting with those people who were in the Islamic state, but they were under the rule of killing. But in this ayat, Allah tells us there are two options for them, that there will be no fighting with those people, no killing them, no war with them, no battle with them. How it is, we will see in this ayat. So Allah said, Illallazina, except those, Yasiluna, who join ila qawmin, with a qawm, with a group, bainakum wa bainahum misaq. So to which group? So the group with them, in between them there is a treaty, there is an agreement of peace between you and them. إِلَّا الَّذِينَ يَصِلُونَ إِلَىٰ قَوْمٍ بَيْنَكُمْ وَبَيْنَهُمْ مِيثَاقٌ. Except those people who join a group of the people, there is a treaty of peace between you and them. It means they are joining the group of the people, and with that group there is a treaty of peace between you and them. And if these people, they will join that one, then you are not allowed to fight with them. أَوْ جَاءُكُمْ, or those people who come to you, hasirat saduruhum, their hearts declining them from fighting. An yuqatilukum, so their heart declining them from the fighting. Aw yuqatilukum, aw yuqatilu qawmahum, with you and to fight with their people, or with their qawm, with their people. These are the other group, the other people. Allah said, أَوْ جَاءُكُمْ حَسِرَتْ صَدُورُهُمْ أَنْ يُقَاتِلُوكُمْ أَوْ يُقَاتِلُوا قَوْمَهُمْ. So in this part, this group, Allah said, those people who come to you, but their hearts preventing them from war with you or with their own people. So you are not allowed to fight with them because they are not in a position to fight with you. And this way you should not fight with them. وَلَوْ شَاءَ اللَّهُ, and if Allah had will, لَسَلَّطَهُمْ عَلَيْكُمْ فَلَقَاتَلُوكُمْ, He would have given them power over you and they would have to fight with you. فَإِنِ تَزَلُوكُمْ, so if they stay away from you, if they stay themselves from you, فَإِنِ تَزَلُوكُمْ, if they stay away from you, فَلَمْ يُقَاتِلُوكُمْ, and they are not to fight with you, وَأَلْقَوْا إِلَيْكُمُ السَّلَمَ, and they offer you a peace, فَمَا جَعَلَ اللَّهُ لَكُمْ عَلَيْهِمْ سَبِيلًا, then Allah has not given you a way of fighting against them. So very important. So in this ayat we can read one time more. So Allah said, إِلَّا الَّذِينَ يَصِلُونَ إِلَىٰ قَوْمٍ بَيْنَكُمْ وَبَيْنَهُمْ مِيثَاقٌ أَوْ جَاءُكُمْ حَسِرَتْ صُدُورُهُمْ أَن يُقَاتِلُوكُمْ أَوْ يُقَاتِلُوا قَوْمَهُمْ وَلَوْ شَاءَ اللَّهُ لَسَلَّطَهُمْ عَلَيْكُمْ فَلَقَاتَلُوكُمْ فَإِنِ اعْتَزَلُوكُمْ فَلَمْ يُقَاتِلُوكُمْ وَأَلْقَوْا إِلَيْكُمُ السَّلَمَ فَمَا جَعَلَ اللَّهُ لَكُمْ عَلَيْهِمْ سَبِيلًا. So Allah said, except those people who join a group, there is a treaty of peace between you and them. This is first group. And the second people, Allah said, or those who come to you, their hearts declining, preventing them from fighting with you or to fight with their people. And if Allah had will, He would have given them power over you and they would have to fight with you. So if they stay away themselves from you and do not fight with you and offer you a peace, then Allah has not given you a way for fighting against them. So in this ayat, Allah tells about two types of people to whom you are not allowed to fight with them. The first, these are the people, either they are munafiqeen or they are murtad. Murtad mean who they were first Muslim but they left Islam, or they are mushrikeen or non-Muslims. Even if they were so much, they have done so much crime, or they were just near to their punishment was to kill them. So, but these people, if they just leave their homeland and they go to join those people to whom you have an agreement of peace, then they will be in peace with them and you are not allowed to fight with them. So this way they will be in a peace. So this way Allah said you are not allowed to fight with them, even if they are munafiqeen or murtad, or if they are non-Muslim. So you are not allowed to fight with them until that group of people to whom you have a treaty of peace, if they just tear the treaty, they break up it and they fight, then you are allowed to fight with them also and with the people who has gone to take shelter of them, so you are allowed to fight with them also. This is exactly similar to the Hudaybiyah agreement that Holy Prophet ﷺ has done. And the second type of people to whom you are not allowed to fight, and these are those people, Allah said, أَوْ جَاءُكُمْ حَسِرَتْ صُدُورُهُمْ أَنْ يُقَاتِلُوكُمْ أَوْ يُقَاتِلُوا قَوْمَهُمْ. And these are the people whose hearts declining are preventing them from fighting with you or fighting with their people. So these people, they want to stay in peace. They don't want to fight with you, don't want to fight with their own people also, just with you to fight with them. No, they don't want to fight, they just to stay in peace. If they want to stay in peace, then there is no, Allah is not giving any permission to fight with them. So you should make them peace, to stay, give them to stay in the peace situation, just to give them peaceful atmosphere. So this way Allah wants. This is similar like you can see at the battle of Badr, some other people came with the Quraysh, with the Mushrikeen, and they have not participated in the war. They have not participated in the battle. So this way, those people, they were staying in peace. Same like that. Even according to Islam, if you have an peace agreement with kuffar, you have to follow it completely and fully, because Islam is giving authorization to you to follow the agreement which you have done with the enemies, or with kuffar, or with munafiqeen, or with mushrikeen, or with anyone. So you have to follow, like in Holy Quran, in Surah An-Nahl, Allah said, أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم وَأَوْفُوا بِأَهْدِ اللَّهِ إِذَا أَخَذْتُمْ. And you have to fulfill the promise that you have made with Allah. So you have to fulfill it. So the agreement which you have done, you must have to fulfill it. And the kuffar, mushrikeen, munafiqeen who are not to fight with you, so their hearts wants to stay in peace, not to fight, so then you are not allowed to fight with them also. And you are not allowed to put them in the prison. You are not allowed to disturb them. So this is Allah's warning in this ayat. So this way Allah said, وَلَوْ شَاءَ اللَّهُ لَسَلَّطَهُمْ عَلَيْكُمْ فَلَقَاتَلُوكُمْ. Allah said, if Allah had wanted that you, Allah said, if those people who were not fighting with you, whose hearts wants peace, no fighting, if Allah were to give them power over you, so that was possible, and they were to fight with you. So if Allah would have given them power over you, and they would have to fight with you. But Allah has not given them power. Allah removed from their heart the fighting desire. So Allah made them to make their heart in a wanting peace only, just for peace. This way they were offering a peace. So these people, Allah said, you are not allowed to fight with them. It's very important, because Islam gives peace to all of the people who are living within the country unless they are not disturbing. This is very important. So this way Islam never allowed to fight with those people who are staying in peace, who are not disturbing. And this ayat also giving us a good rules, regulations for the war. It is a lesson for the Muslim countries. They have to follow it also. Very important. If you look back, Holy Prophet Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam, he made so many agreements with the people also. Like one agreement he made with Hilal bin Awamir, and the agreement of peace. Even if a person who will go under the shelter of Hilal, so that person will not be killed, no one will be in a position to put that person into prison or to kill or to disturb. So that will be the person who will go in the shelter of Hilal. So that person will stay in peace. So this is what was agreement of Holy Prophet ﷺ with Hilal also. And mashallah, and Allah said here that these people, Allah said, فَإِنِ تَازَلُوا فَلَمْ يُقَاتِلُوا kum wa alqaw ilaykum salama. And these were the people at the time of victory of Makkah, and these people, they also requested Holy Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam for peace. And then mashallah, Holy Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam is giving the peace to the people also that time also. So many people, like even in this, like there is one other incident that has been described, that Suraqah bin Malik Madlaji, and he described that one day what happened. And the Holy Prophet ﷺ, when he was sending Khalid bin Walid to fight with the Madlaji tribe, and he said, I went to Holy Prophet ﷺ, I requested not to fight with those people and not send this Khalid bin Walid. And Rasulullah ﷺ said, Khalid bin Walid, go with him and do according to his desire. And the Khalid bin Walid, then he has made a peaceful treaty with him. And in that treaty, that was the special point, that these tribe people, they will not help finance any person against Islam, against Holy Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam. And the second point was, if the Quraysh, they will accept Islam, they will also accept Islam. So this way, these people, they accepted Islam when the Holy Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam, he entered in Makkah, and the Quraysh, they became Muslim, and these people also, they became Muslim. So the main thing is that in this ayat we understood that the Muslim, they are not allowed to fight with those people who has been joined, those people to whom you have like contract of peace or agreement, peace agreement. So they, even if they are in a position to be, if they are in a position to be like for killing, but you are not allowed to do anything with them, because they are under the shelter of peace, because they are with those people to whom you have made peace agreement. So this is very important. Even if the people who are staying in the country, they don't want fighting, they don't want to disturb the situation, they want peaceful atmosphere, then you have to produce peace within the country for them also, no fighting with them. So this is a situation in which the peaceful Islamic strategy that becomes more prominent before the world, mashallah. So this is the good expression of peace, prosperity, and nice situation under the umbrella of Islam. So we have to try to stay in peace and love to do all types of rules, regulations which have been expressed by Holy Prophet ﷺ, and so that we should get the good position in this world and the world hereafter. Allah give us tawfiq. Ameen.